G'day everybody and welcome back. I wanted to do an update on the clutch modification that I put into the bike in the last video from Bigelow Performance, because there's more to it than just stopping the clutch from rattling. So ideally, would have liked to have gone for a ride. However, with the COVID-19 situation at the moment, while we're not in strict lockdown, we have been instructed by Tas Police and the Premier that we are not to leave our primary place of residence except for emergency type circumstances, or where you're travelling to work because you can't do it from home, etc. The usual. So they're out and about, they've got a helicopter in the sky, they're up there patrols, and the fines for being out and about without a decent excuse is 16,800 Australian dollars. So we absolutely, positively won't be doing that. Right, so where this clutch comes into its own, where this clutch comes into its own is at low RPMs. So this is where the idea for, or the reason behind the modification initially back in the 90s. This thing would pig root and hunt and carry on. Look at me, I'm doing 2000 RPM in the wrong gear, choggling up a hill, and there's no bloody humping and bumping and pig rooting. Used to get to a roundabout and you'd be riding the clutch all the way around the roundabout because it just wouldn't handle that low RPM stuff. Now, here we go. Let's do it. I'm in first or second gear. Put. Look at it, how smooth. It has smoothed this bike completely. It has made it so much more rideable, and it's all down to that simple clutch modification. And you have the added advantage of shutting up the rattle in the clutch. When you pull the clutch lever in, you still get that distinctive sound that we all associate with it. But I get to enjoy the exhaust note, and I get to enjoy riding around the roundabouts without having to ride and slip the clutch. Tight corners, low speed first gear corners. Jesus, windy. You know what these things are like in the wind. So yeah, I think it was worth mentioning all of that because I didn't specify that particular purpose, which was, as I said, the main reason why Tuan and Jan, his father, went down that path initially, was to modify these clutches so that they were more rideable and they didn't flog out. And the other advantage is that something that Tuan said to me when we initially were diagnosing what the movement in the gearbox input shaft was, and he said it can fret out in the housing, and this design also reduces the likelihood of that ever happening. So it's less punishing on your clutch, so there's less noise, more rideable, reduces the impact of mechanical wear on other components. So for me, win, 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 win. Just thought I'd mention it. Hey, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and comment, and I will catch you next time on Andy's Motorcycle Obsessions, if I don't get fined. Bye for now.